Are you a designer or maker in the USA with a library of CAD files? What if I told you those files could earn you real money? Today, I will show you how to package and sell your 3D print designs online. First, let's clear up what CAD files are. CAD stands for Computer-Aided Design. These are digital blueprints used to create 3D models, and when exported into formats like STL or OBJ, they can be printed on 3D printers. Think of them as the recipe your printer follows to build an object. Organize your CAD files into neat folders. Include a README file with instructions or recommended print settings. This makes your product look professional and builds trust with buyers in the USA and worldwide. Next, create visuals. Render your 3D models or print prototypes and take high-quality photos. Buyers want to see what the final product looks like before they purchase. Strong visuals are key to standing out in USA marketplaces. Choose your marketplace. Etsy, Gumroad, or Creative Market are great options. Write SEO-friendly titles and descriptions with keywords like CAD files, USA, and 3D print designs. This ensures your listings rank high in USA search results.